Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about anti-aging skincare, and I'll be reviewing 3 amazing products that help with fine lines, wrinkles, dryness, and overall skin health. These products are popular, affordable, and suitable for beginners as well as skincare lovers, so let's get started. Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream is a well-known daily moisturizer designed to support anti-aging by focusing on hydration, firmness, and overall skin smoothness. The first thing you notice about this cream is its texture. It feels rich when you touch it, but once applied, it absorbs quickly into the skin without leaving a greasy or sticky layer. This makes it comfortable to use both in the morning and at night. From the very first use, the skin feels soft, nourished, and well hydrated, which is especially helpful if your skin tends to feel tight or dry. With regular use, this cream helps improve the appearance of fine lines that are caused by dehydration. The skin starts to look more plump and healthy, and there is a noticeable improvement in smoothness. It works well as a base under sunscreen and makeup, which makes it practical for everyday routines. Over time, consistent use can help the skin look firmer and more refreshed, giving a youthful appearance without irritation. This product is particularly suitable for dry to normal skin types, but combination skin users can also benefit by using a smaller amount. Overall, Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream is a dependable anti-aging moisturizer that focuses on keeping the skin hydrated, comfortable, and visibly smoother with daily use. The Ordinary Retinol 0.5% in Squalane. The Ordinary Retinol 0.5% in Squalane is a treatment-based product that targets deeper signs of aging, such as fine lines, uneven texture, and dull skin. Retinol is one of the most researched and effective anti-aging ingredients, but it must be used carefully to avoid irritation. This formula combines retinol with squalane, which helps keep the skin moisturized and reduces the dryness often associated with retinol products. The texture is oily but lightweight, and it spreads easily across the skin. When introducing this product into a skincare routine, it's important to start slowly. Using it a few nights a week allows the skin to adjust gradually. In the beginning, mild dryness, peeling, or sensitivity may occur, which is completely normal when using retinol. With consistent and proper use, the skin texture begins to improve noticeably. Fine lines start to appear softer, and the skin looks brighter and more even over time. This product does not provide instant results, but with patience and regular use, it can significantly improve the overall quality of the skin. This retinol serum is best used at night, followed by a good moisturizer to maintain skin comfort. Daytime sunscreen is essential, as retinol makes the skin more sensitive to sunlight. This product is ideal for those who are serious about long-term anti-aging and want to address early signs of wrinkles and texture issues. The Ordinary Retinol 0.5% in Squalane is a powerful option for improving skin appearance when used responsibly and consistently. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Serum focuses primarily on hydration, which plays a major role in maintaining youthful-looking skin. Dehydrated skin often appears dull, tired, and shows fine lines more prominently. This serum has a lightweight, gel-like texture that absorbs almost instantly into the skin. After application, the skin feels refreshed, plump, and smooth, without any heavy or oily feeling. This serum works well for all skin types, including oily and sensitive skin. It can be used both in the morning and at night, and layers easily with other skincare products. With regular use, the skin maintains better moisture levels throughout the day, which helps improve overall comfort and softness. Fine lines caused by dryness appear less noticeable, giving the skin a healthier and more youthful look. While this product does not directly target deep wrinkles or stimulate collagen like retinol, it plays an important supportive role in any anti-aging routine by keeping the skin hydrated and balanced. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Serum is especially helpful for beginners who want to improve their skin without the risk of irritation. It also works very well alongside active treatments, helping to reduce dryness and maintain a strong skin barrier. Overall, this serum is an excellent hydration booster that enhances the effectiveness of other skincare products and helps the skin look smooth, fresh, and well cared for. Together, these three products address different aspects of anti-aging skincare. Olay Regenerist Micro-Sculpting Cream focuses on daily hydration and firmness. The ordinary Retinol 0.5% in Squalane targets long-term aging concerns. And Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hyaluronic Acid Serum supports the skin with essential hydration. Used individually or as part of a routine, they can help create a balanced approach to maintaining healthy, youthful-looking skin. That's it for today's video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Comment below and tell me which skincare product you want me to review next. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.